Are you looking for creative ways to use up your can of tuna? Here's a recipe for tuna cakes that the whole family will enjoy. To prepare your tuna cakes, you'll need a couple of ingredients. You'll need some potatoes, butter, and black pepper, a can of light tuna, a bit of pepper, some mustard, an egg, breadcrumbs, and some dried dill. The first step in preparing your tuna cakes is to make some mashed potatoes. You can start by peeling your potatoes, then you can cover them with water, bring them to a boil, and cook them until they're tender. If you have some leftover mashed potatoes from another meal, you can always use them to make your tuna cakes. Step 2 consists in the preparation of the tuna cakes. First thing we'll do is chop up a little bit of red pepper. It'll provide a little bit of crunch to the recipe. Next, we'll open up our can of tuna and drain the liquid. Finally, we're going to mix everything together. So we've got the mashed potatoes and the tuna. You can give it a little stir. Then we've got some Dijon mustard, our chopped up red pepper, and the egg to help with binding. We'll also be throwing in some dry dill and adding a little bit of breadcrumbs for the texture. Make sure to keep some breadcrumbs as we'll be covering the cakes with some breadcrumbs a little bit later. You can also add in a bit of pepper. Now we're at step 3, which means that it's time to form the tuna patties. Form little balls in your hands, flatten them, and cover the patties with some breadcrumbs. It's finally time to cook the patties. Start by heating up some oil. When it's hot, add your patties to the pan and only flip them over once you think they're nice, crisp, and golden underneath. You can definitely have your tuna cakes with a simple wedge of lemon or a bit of mayo. But if you want to try something different, you can try making your own homemade tartar sauce. All you need is some mayo, a bit of relish, and some lemon. Now that we've reached step 6, it means that we're ready to assemble our plate. Serve the tuna cakes with any vegetable of your choice. And enjoy. Bon appétit! Are you still wondering what to do with your can of tuna? Here are some links with creative recipes of what to do with canned tuna.